yɛkɔhwɛ yem cemeteries no so the city ene ye be compare say ye yanwo ye 9 months ni bia na Ghana for yanwo ye 9 months ni bia na say baby a wobɛkɔ bia kro bia wobɛkɔ bia ɛhyɛ ɛhoafua kyɛ sɛ yɛsɛ adwuma ni Ghana ha but Abrokyire ukowura ɛyɛ cemetery hɔ no ma ɛyɛ full of staffs and nipa ɛyɛ adwuma wɔ hɔ no emu drivers emu gardeners emu kyɛ sɛ all sorts of carpenters nyina wɔ hɔ electricians nyina wɔ hɔ ba yɛn yɛ deɛ yɛhwɛ osu awudomi Kumase yɛkɔhwɛ tafo yɛkɔ yɛn kuro nkituam ɛnɛ memre yakɔsi adɔfo bebree yɛsu yɛnya adagye akɔtɔ cement ni yɛ sɛ yɛyɛ ne tum kama but yɛsan kɔ akyire ne yɛkɔhwɛ how many times anytime kɔ visit and yadɔfo ya yɛsɛ sika wɔ ho yɛtimi sɛ sika wɔ ifunu ho last year we call Germany we could pay Ghana ni di hye baako a ofrim abusafo betime ebekai a efrem Sanketia or Cologne e ma menya akwanya rura Cologne cemetery ho na me rura ho na me fi se me call castle na yesiye Asempa FM your Facebook no is back Asempa 94.7 ko Facebook ubehu pictures e dey be sa ko YouTube and also Asempa 94.7 live ewo ho no mo na yenhwe ensema ye kan nyina se oso de na wo eka efa ho so da misikan na ene ye behwe yen cemetery anye bia ye dofo bia wu eti no ye yeden ye kwa akogya no kwan eti san ye dofo ya ye kogya no kwan enne menu no mebusa wo anye bia wasa go back to cemetery crona odo this year no menu say bebre 1 year omusa akọ tumbu no so ko bompae na after the year utimi kọ ho ana wa wo kọ eseye ho ekwan a wo fa so de adaka no tietia tumbu so ne ye no already yes o de google na hwe o say respect our cemetery ubehu de mekan o say eni kwan se utia tumbu no kra ne kwan se utia so eho eye ahomegye bra sunsum ewo ho no ura ho no ma inspirational words bebre na kofa chocho utimi read bi hu se ewiase kra no ye de kɔ he ewiase kra no ye de kɔ he ahaye Asempa 94.7 mosomfu kwa mankwa Akonta jo bijiri sa sama makan se wo ye obi a otie me na wakase wo mind anase wo de wani akoto ene amusie kra wo kɔye anase wakɔhoda eti said the misikan anye bia said ye wodoma ye papanom ye wodoma ye maamenom ye wodoma ye busua ye mane ye yirenom ne ye kununom no eti se abrabo anipa wabo na ye said last respect na afi nipa no the japade bebrebe ni anya akoto na to rem sana meka no eseye ho no anye bia no ye kosie funu a ye ge permit ema registrar birth and death registrar etimi kase na mokosie ebia body no di to kwa kra free crime and na krofofo so akokrafofo so no you need a permit to prove say body no yes you release it from this point to this point every essay bia we as bia no because of population census nti esese hu nipa dodo a yawo wo mo ne en nipa dodo a ewu ne etisa permit no anase burial permit na meka no ese wonya ansa na wakosi ne hu nipa dodo a etino ese ye kra wo so de koye no ebekọ records mu say nipa dodo say ene ese omo sa cemetery we nipa dodo say ene ese omo sa cemetery we aha even private one kra na eye abusua de kra no still you need a permit eti wodo de hye no kwa eso hu se baabi adato no emfiechi no wobɛku baabi a ɔwɔ pepepe but wobɛkɔ ne na bi de abu agum because nipa no onko ho bio eti nipa yete ho ye dey Ahaya Asempa 94.7 Mosofu Kokwa Mankwa Akonta Joe and I make me say bra Facebook na bra behwe normal ye ka ho asemi Asempa ye de bibia begu Facebook na wahwe bi and YouTube Asempa 94.7 ho obehu de ye kan enyina e wo ho no mo Coach Ogre ene de me esidwom na ye di sa agree aha Asempa 94.7 said me can yenji abo for kra to e ba beto aso.
Anytime I feel lonely, feeling sad, only one station makes me happy. When I wake up in the morning, only this station makes my day. Oh, Asempa, Asempa, Asempa FM. Asempa, Asempa, Asempa FM. Oh, Asempa, Asempa, Asempa FM. Asempa, Asempa, Asempa FM. 94.7.
The friend me Ghana ni amatina Germany efia na nanso na enda form me say enema pi ansana medruo empo ema me paaba enti na maye madwin say me befie abehye obranase nanso misro imfa na metna eden na meya hye obranase
ye friend me Grace ababa wa mawie school pon na me prepare adwuma nanso aye diama me se menye adwuma efata mabodin krata.
Sewoba Ghanaian German Center for Jobs, Migration and Reintegration Akachi A, yen futufuo no je ahobo wo fel so. Na wato wombo a church won edwumatene ni a yen akachi no di. Dwumedie no bi ne ankrankra efutuo. Entete a ewo edwumahwehwe mu. Kwan a ye fa so na yankasa ye bie ye dwuma. Ene kwan a wutumi esan hye obrase emra we free Akonta mu aba. Na enije sem ne se when nyina sikagie bi anim eye free.
It's a from Metro for Inso 055 675 8516 and 055 675 8518.
Your friend me Eddie me Ghana ni amatina Germany efia na nanso na enda form me say enema pi ansana medruo empo ema me paaba enti na maye madwin say me befie abehye obranase nanso misro imfa na metna eden na meya hye obranase
Ye friend me Grace ababa wa mawie school pon na me prepare adwuma nanso aye diama me se menye adwuma efata mabodin krata.
Sewoba Ghanaian German Center for Jobs, Migration and Reintegration Akachi A, yen futufuo no je ahobo wo fel so. Na wato wombo a church won edwumatene ni a yen akachi no di. Dwumedie no bi ne ankrankra efutuo. Entete a ewo edwumahwehwe mu. Kwan a ye fa so na yankasa ye bie ye dwuma. Ene kwan a wutumi esan hye obrase emra we free Akonta mu aba. Na enije sem ne se when nyina sikagie bi anim eye free.
It's a from Metro for Inso 055 675 8516 and 055 675 8518.
Ye kwaje yabo for krato a yaba biko ahoma no so na mema Mr. Reko memo akwaba na memo akwaba na pom to say
Nyame adom wode akeye
edi nyame ase yo akra ati say ene na komfort dom na si form kra na esamafo no so nimsi e be kom ho asem papa am wo ntom so aba be yi omo ena sisi wo no akra ebusafo ho ye de a na obi a ho ye de a ye bisaw mo nananom mo de asase amaye se ha eni entu rangu aha ena yen koja ye nan aha ena ye fa school si aha ena ye fa ye baby a ya dofo no susu wu a ye fa mo kokra wo mo nene ubehu baby a ye kra ya de hye a chese ho no susu e kro se asamado ye kro e ho ye kro na kro na ya chechire no ho no se ye nuanom ya busuafo ya dofo no ye be ko ho no e ho no ma ye bola e ho ye toilet e ho chese ye mbu nipa ye do makwa akogu ho no na me baaye wankasa udimi nante ewo Holland man mu bi bisa kɔne nam Cologne bikohu ɛsɛyɛ mienu wei miami wura mu bi yɛnka abusuafoɔ yɛ a Chris Jan your former Black Star player the late awuye final na no obo udimi call na yankobusa we say hefa na esi ni akọ wa wo kire me egwe ye ese me ye a wo kire ye me kobo board me board ni din ye bibia hye mu na amayen arrow say offer left second junction for right third junction do say obeko na mu no ne tumbu no ewo ho papa kabibi kire mo nananom wo de mo asase di bu an wasa kotro bi man so yeti o
Kokuna da wase na machia tifo adofo ne ahefo a mo etie Abrokyire Nkomo ene enyimre na sede o kan no fitibe na otwemi nu mense ne ye ka nsam efa ye enema wo ba ha e baba be hunu ye de ibetumi ede atoto efa hanman na Ghana ho na no kre wo ba ye no Tisa Holland here Rotterdam ha no call Christian Jan isan say no ene obi a we Ghana ni akoda no bo final so team kese this year ko mo bo Champions League team kese nti o ma ni Jan Chris ho agrokra mra yekusie no kra na chese enya asam ketwa
Nana hold on man Nana hold on you say wa wo pesa wo tie de papa kan Nana reko kan ko YouTube Asempa 94.7 and now say Asempa 94.7 Facebook ye they ato her live ye call her no mono na all mame all this direction e say na papa ejina sisi na ye they ato her live we hu yes ya ho no kra final man say the stadium kra na efe kra keke nana kaso
exactly enji say omo so de ye ba ya menu ewura mu na wura mu a esensa wo ko botanical garden na wuram wakọ wokwa ye reception ho no mo a baby a obi yakusi obi a ye asori ewo ho e de ema no e ho no toilet bathroom bibia ewo inside ho na no na chi no ye de nipa no ekọ eye baby a yakusi no o si achiche mu na alphabetical order A B C D E F any bebre achiche chim a chese wa wuram a said you must see a woman to draw a year a flowers a year dua just a session by session. And you can make back say a continent pure. We were ha. Now, you don't call baby, not Chris, and so you did not call. Why would you do only who could not change to chaputo? I mean, no call baby. A year woman in the form of football field, a floodlight is you on the Moram Kata. And I you know almost so sorry about baby training near the AD Agro. I just a woman supporters say what fine or no any nan hot any just a very, very, very nice place. And Nipansu year Juma 8 hours a day from the city council.
Right.
From the city council no. Year Juma cleaners almost see toilet in the bathroom no almost so tractor almost chiamanani and fashovel. And if you are not to say the Ghana edition version, no, on the machine and on the air there, yes, I am. Yamian, F. Oh, I'm got out of me. Say, crazy dear, here. Rotterdam, woman, 3 money in an if I do an a normal that. Now, if you had the buy a new crew, I said, what kind of animal I am, but your child and Sassy, baby, ye did ye in your Hokkaido, no cocoto. But Yamian, and yet, and this is a harm again. I said, you need to be respect the crown, Emma Ubia, said we were free. You need respect, man, Ghana. Because I say, the moon air qua, Kai, would you know? A more cano, our priority, a thing.
Mamma,
Kana walk away a taxi away a deal.
Okay, Bacono, Germany, the other two. But card, you know, cano. How they who second who they say Yanko dear where they need the new fresh eye then a command union animal. Yeah, papa. No, tree. Oh, Germany ho. Papa, we am a copy super pepe. Now, the way Omudi body no ato. Oh massa. Debbie, how the wear de. Na how they say I feel me who say how wear ya. Hey. Dana koso.
Oh. Na yɛdu kura de afa kura wo mu na yɛdu adu amanana no.
Oh.
Na yɛdu asi amana no ano no sɛ ehoma mmienu ɛna ebo ho ma yɛdu ato ahoma no so bere machine.
Yeah.
Na wɔn no careers no wɔn ayi wɔn kyɛ no wɔn salute.
Ɛna da hɔ no.
Ɛmu no.
Obi abɛhɛ.
Wɔn salute.
Wɔn mmra Facebook mɛhɛ ɛna da hɔ no. Ɛna ɔda hɔ no. Mɛmama.
Wɔn salute. Wɔn hwia. Woman nachi e machi ti se di enka na ni ekosu wi amachi in 2 hour classes woman machi no dia baba bom train mu kakra omo pra ho kakra anfa na omo akọ normal work the woman di emu no ba wo say yes ye di ebi esiwi so ye ga na for dia na duru me bi kwa ye duru be ka se ka ye pese peje ya ade omo tumi ma ye tumi ye peja
wow
oh enti ebuo pa no die Yama ebuo no eba ehon papa omo obuo ema eye obi a wafiri mu and now kind the last respect say ni pa no so what is dien 777 prayer asa so what na adwene mu kan kakra kan so the respect will be given but ye buy any hono na on san ka tete no ne nkuro no so ni ntina e ka kwa ho kuro no e kwa ho e na e den isie yeah. They say na ya tu abom system be ni Ghana say
oh
because you feel say say no hono no ye baby a oh say ni pa no okoda okra na mfaso bi say mfaso bi ni no
na mfaso ni so a ho na gina ho mame mfaso ni pa no so a adenti na ja wo mo da mochiri ho no mo for 1 year 6 months and ye twema so wo ho ehon na question no se faso ni so a manso nipa na free mu no adenti de sa twe ho manso utwi wios na de ne koso a na ayi ne kan o se ba bia ye de emu no beto no e se ye dodo ho e se ye clean ho eni kwase ye tia tumbu so ampa anti hwese no mo sa ye o mo de no cars ne na mu bunyina mu di akire na makwa kodu se da me kan hwe Cologne esiye ni ede papa opanyin ketia the late echo eni so obi o hwe bibia kra so udi hye bi wo Cologne Germany a ebi kra be hu no video yi mu be sheda video ade ni ye do so ahwe kra me yi no TV so se be start Abrokyire Nkomo no TV so kakra sad no be koye mi kotwitwa ni na ye be show no TV so be hwe Ghana fu egu odo so de eduru se ayienum se de amo odo pa na emo mu wi na aka ayaka na wo mu no hwe se do mu se de body ni shame ahoma a okay eno mu jiro no after hwe omu de simu wi a no mo tuo mo che no ma ba nefe no ma ba chire se do okay wo mu fa chire nipa num na afi mo amonye mu de kakra mpese mo ye ho no ma be gina ho no mo ye wi e ne be ka anwe agu so ne de be bibia eno kra no nefe
oh ena kwaku esanse ahano asase no edin ema wo ni ntino wo mo ahihye no in such a way say a line by line ena wo mo no ahoro mienu ahano emra ewo ho no kyese onipa no free mo ye de amana no ye de wo mutumu miensa ye wo asie paade and a middle and about the third one. And it is the first one not to us here. No one maka and we are not eguso. And on your number, which I would see a mamma. We are the umbrella and Mojao.
So you
no honor.
Yeah.
And on the and we are the guso at the cover a year at Dakam.
Yeah.
No, my Jesse. And the second one so be where. Now, on the number to so. Na third one also say the abeka ho ansa na o maka na tie ni nyina na guso ene no nso no ye wo duration a ye de won e hye ho ebi a 10 years ebi a 15 years e wo so eduru ho ma wo kokko extend no why extend na wo mu betu wo mu tua ye tu dia akwa to ache wo mu etua one more time at the group a year at Dakar to Sakada said the work on in creation or Madaka gets one. No, so much rebellion and so our baby before. Now I'm another Ababa da hormone for another A. So no one I said, Nene, Yakoko will be yet NATO a form. I'm another man then. One more and an idea or more edit catasso. Say they are issue at our anchor inside. Or more catasso. No more chance. Ubi besako ni create chinom de nabaka. Better about say dia na watch me no. Na watch me and Sunday be an ABC. But the woman ya ne say one more assign a insurance for no. Woman nim woman ne star undertakers no. Our contact. Into one bet me actually say. Amena bi eda ebia amasamai baako da fom enti e wo two space ho enti mo fa nkon ka ho ana se mo nkoteshi amena na me akosi nipa mienu aka baako enti enti mo fa no nko na se so wo de no sa na mo ye no enti they work together wo mo nkasa me nko ana nipa na ba insure no mo mo no enti no me ko amasase baby wo mo contacting wo mo hu baby at face da
mami
no mo de akwakoto
mami Grace fa Belgium de no so to mami hwa de fa Belgium so de no to mami hwa de Belgium de no
se Belgium de ya o de to no mo na me madam for pa wo no ye police ni na oko na no tie na ne oko ne crate it me South area na forward turnout. Me call me na me yes I chat video. Na so ko sha. She said the hormone pepe.
Yeah.
Obi a what turnout obi enim say we na. Me can wo Belgium. So, enti ya me enim ye say ya desanya ma we no compare yan Ghana. Say the ene kana ehemfo no. Yentumi anase committee. Wo montumi hwe Nien developing yes, so the cockroach, let's say, and I am. Baby, and I am. Yes, here will be 1940. Nina, Nitumbo, a bell kind of buegum. Quacun to Maha and Mamma, who said, a sieno, a tomb and a buegum. Woony Pacrona, wono, or toyen. You better call them. And yes, our family grave. Family grave in a cemetery. What young walker? Obia, obefi, more away busian piano. Ya de no kokoshe saa menenem obi a obefi mo wa busuan mu no wo me de kokoshe ni emu no so menim sade ni hu sade wo mo no e de ne tie busuan ko no kwa na wo the access to that place
yeah but utumi say picture e da ho sese no de wo hu say ayi no si wo kese saa no e na o che say busuan fo ntimi gi ho no mo no
ai akaka pa no eni e busuan fo dia
wa wo hwe video no sese no wo hu say nipa ne jeje mo chi say de no utumi say no ye family one ni bi okay and we na individuals ni bi okay yankoso
enti sana no maye no enti wo munnim ba bia ji se wo de bagana ade enti ne tra ho ka se ehye ayema hwe ba bi te se tafo tafo no mu asase kakraka tata kuro yesie ni power hane ade ati ni akobi abese 20 meters away ni akotu bi atene ni akoko 30 ni akoko say a waste of land na yes samaya ni e kan say e wo say Ghana wo mo bo modern ministries no wo mo di wo mo nice from na wo mo tutu niema yie because we are in a new world more the 23rd century no 20 yeah chemkura yeah pe atete kwa niema no dodo
Mami Grace for Ghana de to so mami hwe kakra fa ye de to mami hwe kakra
atete kwa niema no ye mpesa Ghana ye beko ye anim
Debi
so wo hwe entade a ehye ye na enkanka yam enua ma no ye re no say every month they are all pump side for.
Yeah.
And when they want to change.
Yeah.
But the culture, we don't want to change our culture. And until me call them for nanam, young fire 9 AC from near regulate a yes, na a CA baby. So one got a brown mona, who also should be.
Oh, Mami Grace. What a difference. Wow, a difference. Yeah, dear. Oh.
Still you were Rotterdam, you were Sabia. Mammy be owujane ba, na koda no nyanya 16 years. Akwadani are very, 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 very intelligent. I'm a higher mayor, no, I adopt a man scholarships. Aquad again, and Yakodao.
Yeah.
Or what sister be or commented is no, and Aquadan was this year. Because Aquadan, I mean, would you never pa? Our Ghana hosted here or Tema. I went to me, or Banu, I went to me, my man, or my man of Ham, to me. Aquadano, 1 year, a Sierra special for this daughter. Said the bear, Uninia, over to me, a question, ha, and you didn't mammy at 2 years. Near me question on a baby, you do quiet, no. Because I'm a question, you'll be a call. On number be a crazy dano. On that baby, a crazy.
I think said no. I think said me Kaiser.
I'm not at the different.
No, me want the.
winning.
Me want the picture. No,
I need you want to say.
Mr. Rakotobo.
So, me say, you could see will be.
Mr. Rakotobo.
Me who example, me young with you.
Mr. Rakotobo.
Now, I banana say, okay, yes, I could not to Rotterdam, Halmo. Now we're free. And in 2% of Conan Naswa. To say Chris the Sina. Your information center be on my a and one is our Ubo Christian John. Ubo Christian John, a big Nidini Yamba, not your baby, crazy da. A picture of baby, a Chris or that.
Mammy Grace, but you say you gonna the free honor, me Yamushimi Dodo. Na me heard the who are to say we are secrano, sebi preduasa, or the who are call heaven. Na ye did and heavy pan yeko. Why, bola, yes, she, the pie, yes, you know, yes, she bola. A tumb no. A day, Mammy Grace, Sister Mammy, now, and call baby, who say what dear Debbie, who are who's all call heaven, na ye did and ye heaven. It's in I said, we are a broken bag, Ghana had in an. She said, "I suffer no. You omu 1 year see omu saw down home. Omu na heavy nampa."
Kwaku, se say ye musa ya won say adentina se say na eya akoya me Ghana ye nya hwehwemu bi. Ye musa ya won say adentina this time Ghana for said wo mu wi a ye for omu ma Ghana me tie wo. Kwaku I prefer say me da han mo say me ba Ghana ababa da Ghana o. So,
Mr. Rako, Mami read it, Sadi. Or say, respect our cemeteries. When walking around burial sites, try to avoid stepping on them and avoid stepping on top. Don't touch cemetery monuments. Many cemetery monuments, especially older ones, can become delicate from weather and age. It's your you're quite say, yeah, Mammy Grace. You know what the other two are now. You say, crowd away, no, they be there. Who say, quite heaven, yeah, quite heaven, be. So for power over Fremen, catch him say, when we did the quite heaven. Yeah, the aqua hell, no, we. Obi a yashi, and no man, you know, where they say, she and that. Where the can you are said, but ye could see if no ha, I would do me estate. Cemetery away. Estate new cemetery ni kohesi the city ye cheche wo say wo na timi raba ku de na dade na why wo na ho say dem kan me boa wo di funu dru gate na no ha no wawie ni apagya ni ade efro ebu wo ko de si obi de so say ni atwe ni yaje ni ade ko akire adai na obi krom hwe say the city Ghana ni oh ya hoho kra hwe se de Christian John we de abusua men kan mo ya mo amu bantuma ko hwe baabi a mo de hye ndal e na wo Facebook no e na oda ho kama wa hwe ka etwa mu yi omo prapra ho mo dodo ho mo ye adwuma e ye full employment say what na shida 2000 thereabout na mundim sa ese na e wo ho no se de ne city private ebeji ye hwese the city eti adenti ne yefa ni nyina ma private osu cemetery hwese abrofo de omo ye ya military cemetery se the city na there there's a wall na do so aye basa aden the council city councils no na say metropolitan assemblies na what you want ye dey it's a shame seriously yembu say dey see e kase ni pa wi ani abre ni no yembu big man said 10% of Ghanaians families ni bi edetimi bu omo adehye sa ye twantuma ye say ni nyina ye be wie no na emu no ye gya no wura mu ho da bi sa record kan na ho no wa wo hwɛ enim sese obo se ugina machine anim sei na wa enter ne din ne bibia na akyerɛ baabi a yɛsie nipa korɔ maame na wo kan de na wo se ne ba wo ho no ne kunu ntimi ama no wo de me kɔ ho me wo video na ka wo kan ne ntɛm aka me de ba ma ni ki o bibisa me kai bibisa maame ne din no agi ya agi
enu ko e fa na agi o tamahon no ne ba princess agi for to tie pro well tete oje wa some na make ne ba princess am kasa ko so intelligent inji I have better master find a kind of mayor after lab on ma ko scholarship no ma ye na tie no government na ye di ma akoda no se di akoda no nyini a obehuru ba bia ye de ne ma me to ye
me hwe Mr. Ketia de you to say yes
am pa Agnes Amanote no ye mi kuro a member ti say na fe na makasa me tell me no ko no ma ye sa government sa akoda no onyini
me say me wo na you know me wo the video no
so
time na biti e ka me yima production time na biti e wo me drive no sisi e we don't who say yes oko heaven na ye de hell hell me see what wonim shiashi Gethsemane cemetery say the city before any ne private g ye say the city ti ade ne from a private but that's it nana
and I said you can say a city council for no and municipalities no a revenue yeah can unemployment Ghana unemployment we can you bet my creative job on the amount we are juma and so what Abrokyire will be a money administration work a man no do na almost failed passion attack they were born a time was over a guso ye hiano yes abosumi aso na ya de ye tia me ka se ya me no ka se ya ene enra interest rate ekoso womatum from 0.5% no since a year womatum am could do 4% in any moment from now you say things are going up again anything ye here was over here juma
you say what we share video no our Facebook Asempa 4.7 what we share now say no YouTube what share difference no now wow kai e da wo ko sie odihie bi e da wo ko sie odihie bi if you ni ko and I'm reading and or say we should respect the dead our Bible mo when walking around burial site try to avoid stepping on them and avoid standing on top. Don't touch the cemetery monument. Respect.
Get them
me see me drew
around 5 o'clock. I need to
me drew and me feel say me call castle. Say na me call cemetery. Colombia na me hu you know. The entrance was so superb. Tabi be. Wa we she bi ne no. Never compare. It said and me kai me ye mog nose. Ye mog ho. And ye cemetery. Eti nipa ye buye ho a ye nhwe se ye last respect the way ye wo ye na ye di anigye na ye wuso ye di areho ekoja nipa ne kwan a yesu no che say yes ya hwere ade eti sade na ya hwere no ese ye ni ani koho ye se ye nyina nananom esese mo me ye koho ne ye clear ho yie ye do ho obi besie fra mogisika sika mogi no mo de ye dey a bit to 700, 800, 1,500, 2,000. Accra ha areas be a cheap crown a bit to 800. Says can modi day. Seka and no moji and I said yes can in 5 years, 6 years time no mubetima sin pafu fraud near a year a revenue the part by yejuma. Chromo boys and girls ebenya adwuma ayɛ ɔmo kosua deco yi ɔmo betima ayɛ so many ayi ɛdeɛ na ɔmo ntimi nyɛ wɔ hɔ carpenters benya adwuma ayɛ plumbers benya adwuma ayɛ so da okay baabi a ɛkɔɔ yɛ hwɛ ɛdan yɛ si hɔ no cleaners egu hɔ a na ɔmo yɛ adwuma yɛn fa course no kakra nana record ka bibi 1 minute bi na me hwɛ deɛ Ghana for meeting so bɛka kakra
deɛ mɛka ne sɛ sesei no ɛwɔ sɛ yɛn nananom hemfo no ɛna afei ɛyɛ aban municipalities no wɔn mfa nneɛma emu fam wɔn hu nananom yɛn gye nsaase so ne yɛn regulate ɛyɛ asieɛ no yɛn di market ni yie so yɛdi sɛ 100 meters a ye divide by adaka ne tenti ye betime hunu se ebia one plot we say no ye betime sie nipa be 1000 mumi anjire ho se yenya na miensa and so what obi da efom na machere wan mo obi na ema na ebiso ade na machere wan mo do mtumi de biso na ye de adaka na kwose fom ne mfemfe bi no ntata so because ensase ye ni bi nti bi fi se ne ma bi wo ma waku mpanyimfo no and try we are saying that and into mommy as society and so you be yenja yes apete kwa asemono any we dey ye and a mamre and fine go we have to change things and more from the am buy no go am nkwa so you say dey ya chi am som na ta ye nya so Africa or no and the best yen sisa niema and no betumi aboa we are in a digital world they say who back Ghana kwa skip wa they say first only any a day back Vita na yeje no eno kwa akọfa immigration na no udru hon ma face only when ni keke na we the immigration na wetwem ko enu ntin ya sesan ho ni nja se da bia ya de si ya na ye no na yemfo no so enuane na enuane mo ne ye ade ye no enye tradition wo mun jai
yerase
yentwem
yerase yenfa course no be 030221 6545 0302216546 yefa puno ya no nya adwuma 0302216545 ana 0302216546 na ososo chewadwen in a minute obi was on okay obi amaya said ye kan ene ye hwe baby a ye de yadofo ekogu eye asieye na mede se de kunhu no bi man so na oaye ne de so ye wa ha aha de hu se hell ne ekọ ofrefo mod be makwaba hello antime nyina so se me kan ye de ekọ hell no dada ye de ekọ hell no dada hello antime nyina so okay so o share videos and e dey buy ya na say ye de ko hell na Akonta omo ko good evening ohene odi ni baby akasa free hello ohene good evening
Bacha Mohammed in Gaza Pitama
Mohammed Mitio
yes even though me Facebook be to me whole difference but I think say how I treat your secretary in Ghana is I don't know. The whole word I mean use. Oba come to nice cemetery. Then she sebi then she any na me Muslim. Oh. I jam nine. Oh. But I'm a Muslim. In Islam no. Who question cemetery no and say only pomwa in respect of the dead. But what problem I could say is has a cemetery no. Oba huna there might be one share the wall.
Yeah.
So in that consideration to which if not a see in Islam it's in the Quran. Even they didn't put for the result of the dead, no, they didn't put don't do remove your slippers, but as I said, no one should be was paint one in
Bola to go
yes. Was it say Kanesho or so? And I'm Mr. Baseka by Fakan in Fem. Na me hu say to be no bit na we so say be say shiri
oh I would do estate side on our mom.
No, and I was like, our symmetry. And the Facebook, my whole difference. But I think it is time to show respect.
Anytime be I will call Asempa 94.7.
I'll log in and then check. I think it's time. Private shoes was I buying that way, I buy anything I buy behind serious. It's a private now I share was the dead dear.
We should respect.
Our Bible was surprised because it is also in the Quran.
Yeah.
We should respect our dead.
Yeah.
In Islam, no say dead body now as a Muslim. So it's now I found sorry in the respect of the last refers to the dead. No. How much so be now in she. This is what the continent cemetery. Then I came in now cemetery. Whoever is controlling the cow said, I say a cemetery, but she respect our.
I say run a fool hunting on my baby man. Also to be friend, one call be now for time with Dr. Phil Edru. So you call Facebook or mama may comment in the Godfred Ado is watching us. Or say Akonta, good job. Thank you. Doris Otri. Any man Doris yeah na I think say when ya family been to me. Hello.
Hello, good evening.
Good evening, honey. Pache Fro say na kasa free.
I am Alex.
Alex yo. Akonta Juni yen kasa.
Yes, I am saying na me team program no. With regards to our cemetery currently maintaining.
Yeah, but my radio no if you kakra mame. Me feedback.
Okay, you let me put it up. It's a phone.
Okay.
Yeah, hello.
Yeah, I can hear you now. Right.
With regards to our cemeteries now maintain, I think I agree with you.
Yeah.
And I think I'm very happy to say all my insight into how the European countries almost maintain almost cemeteries which look very attractive and also serve as a tourist center.
Yeah.
Compared to our African
way
cemeteries.
Of yeah.
We don't preserve them and the place is overgrown with bushes and other things. And I think now suggested we should be given to private. Yes, it's good. But private ones also look at the economic situation. Not every Ghanaian can afford some money to
also you can't afford any timid if no share much for 1 year. Yet to me unim a car ye de to nipa who are scared the to
I know it's a fact. It's why you see one say disparity in terms of people spending much money for preservation because of dispute over the dead, whereas preserving the cemetery where the grave where the person was interred. I know it has been something that we Ghanaians and Africans we lack. I pray that once you have started this program, we'll continue to educate people, and I know with time, if the government and other stakeholders will pay attention to this very important program now, your cemeteries will reform them because of course we are gonna see. You don't bury in order. You see your normal cemented like you say Europe now vertical.
Yeah.
I appreciate the program and I pray that you continue so that Ghanaians
next week I be continue. Yeah, that's it.
Thank you so much.
In fact course Nisi has said now things next week I open a mug and the cemetery na ka ho till next week you better so time with Dr. Phil and I make a note. Me amete me ye ni bi but said the abusia tran say ye bibia fast no so me catch them say last week na ye me uncle 1 week next 2 weeks ye no iti wa wonim say night Michael Yao Insia CEO making groups of company of freedom 7th October yame ya doma ye jane kwan na 4th October you didn't be call a year Christ the King yɛde bɛkɔ Christ the King 4th October yɛde bɛkɔ Christ the King ama mo a mo nkran ha no makɔhwɛ n'anim atwa toɔ yɛde nakɔ yawada no so no yɛde akɔ ne krom anyinasu yɛakɔ akɔsie no dan nyame yɛ adoma ne memory da no yɛaba Kumase ɛyɛ Jubilee Park near Prempeh Assembly Hall ne aba bɛnom sikasa de kwasiada yɛaba Micklin Kumase ne aba bɛgya n'akyi korakora nti sɛ wotie me na sɛ onim papa no a nya ɔyɛ nyame dea yɛda mu nyinaa ma sɛ afei hyapa nyame yɛ adoma next week yɛbɛtoa so time with Dr. Phil.
Programming dedicated to a health talk with a focus on current affairs, sports, interactive